Hi, I'm John Cedric Diaz Pulgar, and I'm explaining the quick sort. I'm sorry, it's quick sort, and all of others: quick sort, merge sort, selection sort, and heap sort. And right now we can explain the quick sort. The quick sort is in divide and conquer in sorting algorithm. It works by picking a special element called pivot, and it's rearranging, particulating, and the arrays on that. All the elements less than or equal to the pivot are placed on the left, and all the elements are greater than pivot x are placed on the right. Then we have a quick sort is applied and recursively to the left. Right this, right this. Yeah, you can see it on my screen right now, and we have the examples. It's right here. The example is 831 7010 2. Choose from the pivot. Let's pick 7. It's partition the array left side. Left side is 3102 and all of the 7. And pivot is equals to 7, and the right side is 8, 10, all to 7. Result are after partition and 3102 plus 7 plus 8 and 10. Particularly applied quick sort 310 to 2 0 1 2 3. Sort 8 and 10. And 8 and 10. And number 4. Number 4 is combining result. It's 0 1 2 3 plus 7 plus 8 10. It's equals to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And we have the advantage and the disadvantage of quick sort. The advantage of quick sort is very fast in practice. It's fewer swap and good at catchy performance. In place of sorting, no extra memory needed and accepts this recursion stack. And the disadvantage of the quick sort is worst case. N squared if pivot is choice is poor. And not stable sort equal elements may not keep in their original order. And that's all. The next topic is merge sort. Okay guys, next one is merge sort. Merge sort is dividing the array into halves and until each subrace has one element. Merging the subrace back together, it's sorted order. Examples, we have 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, and 10. Step 1 is dividing. Split two halves. It's 38, 27, 43, and 3. And the other side is 9, 82, and 10. Okay, the step 2 is divide further. Divide further is 38, 27, 43, and 10. 2, 38, and 27, and 43 and 3. And in the down side is 9, 83. I'm sorry, it's 82, 10, and next is 9, 82, and 10. And step 3 is keep dividing until single elements. It's 38, 27, 2, 38, and 27. 43, 3, 2, 43, and 3. And 9 to 9 to 82, 2, 9, and 82. Now we have 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, and 10. On step 4 is merged back in the sorted order. We have to merge it 38 and 27 to 28 and 38. And merge 43 and 3 to 3 to 43. And merge 9 and 82 to 9, 82. Now we have 27, 38, 3, 43, 9, 82, and 10. And the step 5, you can see it here on my left side. The step 5 is 27 and 83 and 3 to 43. 2, 3, 27, 38, 43. Merge 2, 9, and 82, and 1 and 10, 2, 9, 10, 82. And the final merge is 3, 27, 38, 43, 9, 10, and 82. You can see it on my left side to discuss more it and to explain more further to have a visual to it. And the last is 3, 9, 10, 27, 38, 43, and 82. You can see it that we have to arrange it by smaller to larger number, and the complexity is the best average, worst case on n log n, space complexity O n, extra space for merging. That's all, and we have to explain. The next one is selection sort. Okay guys, next is selection sort. The example of selection sort is selecting sort work by repeatedly finding the smallest or largest element in the unsorted portion of the array and swiping it to first unsorted elements. Example is 64, 25, 12, 22, 11. Example 1. Find the smallest and the whole array. Current array is 64, 25, 12, 22, 11. And the smallest is 11. And swap it the first element to 64. It's gonna be 11, 25, 12, 22, 64. Next one is find the smallest in the remaining arrays. It's 25, 12, 22, 64. The smallest is 12. So we have to swap it in 25. So it's gonna be 11, 12, 25, 22, 64. And it's gonna be repeated. We're gonna be repeated again. Find the smallest, and the smallest is 22. It's gonna be and then swap it to 25. It's gonna be 11, 12, 22, 25, and 64. And the last thing is last element left already sorted. The final result is 11, 22, 25, 64, and that's all. And the best average is worst case, space complexity. And that's all we gonna explain. The last thing guys is heap sort. Okay guys, the last thing is heap sort, and we're gonna give an example of heap sort. You can see it on my left side again, so it discuss more further. And the heap sort is binary. Heap data is structure. It's usually max heap. The idea is build max heap. Largest element on the roof, swap with the root with the last element, and reduce heap size, heap to restore heap property. Repeat it until sorted. And the example is 4, 10, 3, 5, and 1. Step 1 is max heap. You can see it, the example here. And step 2 is swap the root with the last element. Swap the 10 with the 1. Array 1, 5, 3, 4, 10. Now heaply in 1, 5, 3, 4. And step 3 is swap 5 to 1. It's array 1, 4, 3, 5, 10. Heaply is 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. Swap the root last element to 4 and 3. It's arrays 3, 1, 4, 5, 10. And the heaply is 3 and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Arrays 3, 1, 4, 5, 10. And the final sorted is 1, 3, 4, 5, 10. And that's all guys. Thank you for these videos. Just click here and like this. Click here to subscribe. Thank you so much, and this is John from Gardner College, and see you all.